ranking points. Ranking points are based off the losing alliance's score prior to any penalties. We take the total sum of ranking, and that is the team's ranking points. This is going to be wrong. So now we have a list of the rankings of the teams. Now how this is going to work is that we're going to call out 4 teams. Hello? Alright, we're going to try this again. So the way this is going to work, prior to this match, in the qualification rounds, you would be matched with teams at random. And then that team will change from match to match. So as you saw in the previous matches, the teams were matched up with another team in one match, and they might have been against that team in future matches, and vice versa. From now on, we're actually going to select the alliances, and they're going to stay in this alliance, moving throughout the elimination rounds. In addition, this is called elimination rounds for a reason. The way that alliances progress in the elimination rounds is by winning 2 matches. So if one alliance wins 1 match, they still have to win 1 more match. So if the other alliance wins, they still have to go to 3 matches because they still have to have 2 wins. So we're going to call out 4 teams who are going to be the alliance captains during this alliance selection process. I'll go through a little bit more of how the whole selection process works, but first off, we'll bring out the top 4 seeded teams. Starting with the number 4 seeded team, team number 2818, G-Force. The number 3 seeded team out of the qualification rounds is team number 7393, the Electron Bulls. Second place, and also undefeated, with 140 ranking points, we have team number 9406, the Super Hot Pit Crew. Team number 9406. And then our number 1 seeded team out of the qualification rounds, undefeated, but with a ranking point score of 157, team number 4318, the Green Machine. Now the way this is going to work is that I'm going to start with the number 1 seeded team, ask him who he wants to join his alliance, and then we'll move down to number 2, 3, and 4 until they finish their first picks. I'm then going to move back up to number 1 seed, and they're going to choose a 3rd team to join them, and we'll move from 1, 2, 3, and 4 until we have 4 alliances with 3 teams. This is also what is different between the qualification rounds and the elimination rounds, is in the elimination rounds we have 3 teams. The way this works is that there will still be 2 teams on the field at one time. One of the teams on the alliance will be sitting out that match. In the second match, the team that sat out has to play in the second match. It doesn't matter which robot doesn't play in the second match, but the robot that sat out in the second match has to play, or in the first match, I'm sorry, has to play in the second match. Now the way that the alliance selection works is that the number 1 seeded team can choose any one that he wants. He can choose 2, 3, 4, all the way down to the last ranked team. However, if he selects the 3rd place team here, team number 7393, and they decline, the 2nd seeded team cannot invite him to his alliance. Once you decline an invitation, you cannot accept another offer. You are either saying you intend to be an alliance captain, or that you plan on not playing in the elimination rounds. So again, if you reject an invitation, you cannot accept another invitation. So without further ado, let's find out who the number 1 seed Alliance, team number 4318, would like to make for their first selection.
Well, Team 4318 Green Machine Reloaded would like to ask Team 7393 Electron Bolts to be our Alliance partner.
It's almost like I forget the case. So Team 7393 graciously accepts. Our number 4th ranked team now becomes our number 3 seed Alliance captain. And we're going to bring up our number 5th seeded team, team number 9799, the Engineers. So now we go up to our 2nd seeded Alliance captain. Who would you like to join your Alliance?
Team 9406, the Super Hot Pink Crew, would like to invite Team 2818, G-Force, to be our Alliance. Team 2818, G-Force, graciously accepts.
Our number 5th seeded team now becomes our number 3 seed Alliance captain, which means our number 6 seeded team out of qualification rounds, team number 7352, the Cheese. Alright, we're going to move back up here to our number 3 Alliance captain. Who would you like to pick? Who would you like to join your Alliance?
Team 9799 would like to invite Team 6284 Robo.
6284, the RoboCash Black. Making the Cheese, our number 4 seed Alliance captain. Now, they were ranked 6, so the chances of being Alliance captain were relatively low, but it looks like they've done their homework. So who would you like to join your Alliance?
Team 7352 would like to be an ally with Team 8479.
So we're going to move back up here to our number 1 seeded team, seeded Alliance, to make their final selection before the elimination rounds.
Team 4318 Green Machine Reloaded would like to request Team 4991 Beer Freaks to be our Alliance.
Team 4991 graciously accepts. As they go into the elimination rounds. So let's find out who our number 2 seed Alliance captain would like to round out their Alliance.
Team 9406, the Super Hot Pink Crew, would like to invite Team 4234, the Weapons of Mass Destruction, to be our ally.
And they accept. Let's move on to our number 3 seed Alliance captain. Who would you like to join your Alliance?
Team 9799 Engineers would like to ask Team 4881 for the Droids.
The Droids. And they accept. Moving us down here to the last the elimination rounds. Now, before we do make this alliance selection, everyone that has been selected to play in the elimination rounds, we will be having a driver's meeting immediately following this, so please do not go anywhere because the rules have slightly changed in the elimination round. So at the very end of this, please stick around so we can have the driver's meeting. Now, because this also is the last alliance pick, I would like to give a warm round of applause for everyone who's competed here today for playing with me. And whether or not you get picked to play in the elimination rounds, we strongly encourage every single team that's in attendance today to stick around until the closing ceremony. We have a lot of awards to give out, and during the closing ceremony, we'll also announce who's going to be going on to states. You don't necessarily have to win the competition to get the awards that take you to states. So please stick around for the closing ceremony. And with that, team number 7352, the Cheese, who would you like to join your alliance?